Hello guys. MultiGPT is an AI-powered assistant with multilingual support, English, Hindi, Marathi, that processes audio, images, and documents. It features self-hosted OTP authentication, YouTube intelligence, and data visualization. Let's get started. First, we'll sign up by entering our credentials. When we click on Get OTP, an OTP will be sent to our email, which will be valid for the next 5 minutes. The OTP is then hashed and stored in MongoDB for 5 minutes. Once it's verified or after 5 minutes have passed, it will be removed from the database. Now that we've logged in, let's take a look at the profile we created. Here, you can update your details, and if you want, you can even delete your account permanently. As you can see, the name has been updated. Now, let's start by asking MultiGPT to explain quantum computing in 3 languages, English, Hindi, and Marathi. As you can see, it's responded in all 3 languages. Here's another prompt to check the stability of the chat history and see how much it can remember. As you can see, it creates chats, and when we click on them, it loads the prompts and responses. Let's see how it responds when we upload an image along with a prompt to describe it. As you can see, it provides a detailed and accurate response. Now, let's check if it can remember the image by prompting it again. We'll do the same with an audio file. It provides both the transcription of the audio and a clear explanation. Now, let's try uploading a document. It supports PDFs, Word docs, text files, Excel sheets, and CSVs. First, it stores the document data in MongoDB, and then it gives an explanation of what the document is about. If we ask for the data in a table format or request a visualization, it provides it in a clean and structured way, and it also explains the visualization. The uploaded document is also displayed, showing when it was uploaded and its data. We can directly open a chat with the document by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Open Chat. There's also an option to permanently delete the document. For testing purposes, documents are automatically deleted after 2 days. After this, we will text audio functionality. Below, you can see the question I asked using voice input. It gave an accurate response based on what I said. Now, let's see how MultiGPT handles a voice conversation. Below is the question I asked.
My name is MultiGPT. Regarding voice threading, I assume you meant voice typing or voice to text. To perform voice typing with document processing, you can try the following. 1. Dictate text. Speak into your device's microphone and I'll transcribe your voice into text. You can then use this text to create or edit a document. 2. Use speech-to-text software. If you're using a computer or mobile device, you can use built-in speech-to-text software or apps like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or Apple Dictation. 3. Record audio. Record an audio file of yourself speaking, and then I can help you transcribe the audio into a text document. What type of document are you looking to create or edit, Mokshat? You'd like to create or edit a PDF document using voice typing? I can help you with that. To create a PDF document via voice typing, you can 1. Use a voice-to-text tool. Speak into your device's microphone, and I'll transcribe your voice into text. You can then copy and paste the text into a word processor like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. 2. Use a PDF editor. Some PDF editors like Adobe Acrobat or Small PDF allow you to dictate text into a PDF document using your device's microphone. If you'd like to edit an existing PDF, you can try 1. Converting the PDF to a word processor. Use an online tool or software to convert the PDF to a word processor document and then edit it using voice typing. 2. Using a PDF editor. Some PDF editors allow you to edit existing PDFs and add new text using voice typing. What's the purpose of the PDF document, Mokshat?
Now, I'll switch the language to see if MultiGPT detects it and responds accordingly. When I try to delete the account, it first asks for the account password and an OTP to securely complete the deletion process. And that's how the project works. Thank you so much for your patience and for sticking with me through the demo.